In a vast desert, a young boy named Amir lived in a small village with his family. One day, his father gifted him a camel named Zephyr, a gentle beast with soulful eyes. Amir and Zephyr quickly became inseparable, exploring the dunes together. Amir would share his dreams with Zephyr, who seemed to listen intently, nodding as they trudged through the sand. One stormy night, a sandstorm swept through the village, scattering Amir's family's herd. Determined to help, Amir and Zephyr ventured into the howling winds. The boy trusted Zephyr's instincts, and the camel's keen sense of direction led them to the lost animals, huddled near an oasis. With patience, they guided the herd back home, arriving at dawn to the relief of Amir's family. The village celebrated Amir's bravery and Zephyr's loyalty, strengthening their bond. Amir learned that courage and trust could conquer even the fiercest storms. From then on, he and Zephyr roamed the desert with newfound confidence, their friendship a beacon of hope in the endless sands. This tale of a boy and his camel reminds us that true companionship and determination can overcome any challenge, no matter how daunting.